Define asset categories and remark types for maintenance tracking. Asset management begins in the Masters module to establish core operational categories. The Masters menu centralizes all foundational data structures for the station's physical infrastructure. Assets category defines the high-level grouping for maintenance and tracking of all station equipment. The Add Asset category form initializes a new classification for specialized hardware. Underground storage identifies specialized fuel containment systems requiring distinct inspection protocols. Saving the category updates the global registry to enable precise asset tracking. The summary view provides a snapshot of the category's creation metadata and ownership. Audit fields track the specific administrator and timestamps to ensure data accountability. The Notes section allows for the attachment of supplemental documentation and technical specifications. Remarks capture critical context regarding the life cycle or safety requirements of the underground assets. Document uploads centralize compliance certificates and technical manuals directly within the asset record. Attaching these records ensures that maintenance teams have immediate access to necessary safety data. Returning to the category list confirms the successful expansion of the station's asset hierarchy. Remark types categorize the standard feedback loops used during inspections and financial audits. Selecting an existing type reveals the underlying code used for system-wide data mapping. Updating the remark name ensures that terminology remains aligned with current accounting standards. The system validates the update to maintain consistency across all linked financial modules. The summary display confirms the latest modifications and identifies the updating personnel. Detailed timestamps provide a clear audit trail for administrative changes to the remark structure. The Notes tab within Remark Types serves as a repository for mapping justifications. Mapping remarks clarify how these entries interface with external supporting documentation. Submitting the note finalizes the institutional knowledge base for this specific remark type. The activities log records every system interaction to provide a transparent history of configuration changes. Defining these categories ensures standardized reporting and robust compliance across all station maintenance and financial activities. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.